inspect them and just ensure that they don't have any sort of injuries or any abnormalities. So by rubbing our hands over their whole entire coat, their flippers, their tails, their every single area, once again, that's just desensitizing that animal to our touch. So in the event that little Rocky ever happened to have some sort of injury, he'll voluntarily just lie down and present that body part for inspection, and we can easily go over and treat it without even having to restrain him or cause him any stress or discomfort by doing so. Now here at the park, we actually have the largest breeding colony of Australian sea lions in captivity in the world here. That's very important because the sea lions were hunted to nearly the brink of extinction in the last century for all their fat and blubber. So having so many pregnant females from time to time, we regularly need to conduct ultrasounds. So that's another reason why we train the animals to lie down and roll over, as Rocky's demonstrating for you there. In the event that any of our pregnant females need to have an ultrasound taken, instead of having to restrain her and